Hi, my name is Loveth and I represent Sponsor East Travels. Sponsor East Travels is an international recruitment company and we help people get jobs abroad. We help qualified candidates to get jobs abroad. So, in today's video, I want to talk about something very important. And what is that? Refund. So a lot of people ask us a question, they keep asking, do we provide refund if the visa did not come out, or what if the person doesn't get the job offer? Am I going to get a refund? So the answer is yes. Sponsor Use Travels provides 100% refund for services not delivered, right? We provide 100% refund for services not yet delivered. So at Sponsor Use Travels, refund is not a favor. We don't provide refunds to candidates because we want to do the candidates a favor. No, we don't. So, and they are not an excuse. We don't give you refunds or provide a refund because we want to give you that as an excuse. So it is not an emotional decision. It is not something that comes and goes. So refunds are a core part of our process. It is a core part of our system. It is part of our processing system. That's what we do. So, and as a candidate, you have the right to ask for refund, right? So, and Sponsor East Travels, we provide you refunds, 100% refunds to services not yet delivered. So, because international relocation is a serious project, family take it serious. It's a project people plan themselves very well, carefully before they embark on it. So we don't joke with it. We don't joke with it. And in today's video, I want to be talking about reasons or situations that could make refund apply, or reason why we could give or provide a refund. So number one reason is processing time frame without job offer or visa secured. Our processing time is 4 to 8 months. So, and in a situation whereby this time frame elapses and a very particular candidate decides that he or she no longer want to wait anymore, and the candidate requests for refund, our company provides refund to such candidates. So either you've gotten a job offer and you're waiting for visa and it didn't come out yet, and you don't want to proceed after 8 months, you don't want to keep waiting, and you request for a refund, Sponsor East Travels do provide a refund. The second one is employer availability and administrative issue. Under this employer availability, as you all know, Sponsor East Travels are in partnership with so many recruitment companies and employers abroad. So these companies or employers source candidates from our company. So in a situation whereby a particular candidate is looking for a carpentry job abroad and there is no employer at that moment that wants to employ a carpenter, so and that very time frame has elapsed, the candidate has every right to demand for refund. Another thing is the second one that said administrative issues. you know most countries have their policies, their immigration issues, and as the employer is going to take these candidates from abroad, the employer takes care of many issues and many inside administrative things, but maybe based on the immigration and all of that. And while we are here waiting for the employer to get back to us with either the job offer or to talk about what next, and the candidate decide not to proceed anymore, probably because it's already taking time. So this could be a reason why a refund will be requested for. So probably there is no employer to get to employ you as a carpenter, or after your interview, the employer is sorting out the immigration department of his home country, and it causes delay, and you couldn't wait. The applicant has right to request for refund. So another reason is candidate interview outcome and skill verification. Now, interview outcome. This is very important. Candidates do have an interview with the employer before you get a job offer. So in a situation whereby you've attended your first interview, the second interview, the third interview, and you didn't land the job, you're already on the refund table, because there could be reasons why you didn't land that job after the first, second, and third interview, and in so many cases with different employers. The reasons could be because you have these skills, but you don't have enough confidence to present your skill or speak to the employer about this skill. So probably the employer is not satisfied about the way you talk about it, or based on the skill verification. Or maybe you have this skill, but there is no proof that you have the skill. So it could be that you don't have any professional certificate to prove, probably your apprenticeship certificate or your training certificate or anything, something to prove that you know this, you've done this, or you studied this in school, or you've worked for you've worked as a particular thing, for example, as an engineer, and there is no proof. So it could be a reason why we provide you refund, because for after your interview you didn't land the job, there is nothing else. It's to refund you, right? So that's that on that very area. So another reason that a refund could occur is immigration visa processing delays or disapproval. So we all know that no one has 100% guarantee about immigration. No one has control over immigration, right? So in a situation whereby you get a job offer and your visa is getting delayed or your visa was denied, Sponsor East Travels provides you with 100% refunds according to our refund policy. Okay, so another reason is health and eligibility related issues. So many people have health issues. Some have tuberculosis, some have hepatitis B, and all of that. They wouldn't want to share it. They wouldn't want to tell you about it. And at the long run, we'll find out. And when we find out about this, we provide refund because it is going to be a problem in the future. Either the employer wouldn't want to wouldn't want to employ you, or probably when during your visa application, a medicals is required and they find out and they deny your visa, right? So at this point, when you find out that you have any medical issue or health issues, related issues, we provide you refund. So we've had cases like that in the past, and after the candidates have treated the issue, the person comes back to apply, and of which we proceeded with the application. So another issue is, or another reason why a refund could occur is candidate verification and documentation discoveries. Remember, as Sponsor East Travels, we provide half work visa sponsorship or work visa half sponsorship. We are putting our money in line, right? So we do our due diligence, and during this due diligence, we research about you. So in some cases, based on experience, we have found out that most applicants, the address that they provide is incorrect. In most cases, their guarantor is bought. They don't even, they're not related and all of that. So, or the jobs that you claim to do, probably in your CVs and all of that, you have not done it, you've not worked it. So these are discoveries that we've had in the past. So in a situation whereby we find out about all of those things during our due diligence, we would refund you, because you lying about those things at that very early stage, it proves that you are not going to repay. We can't trust you any further. You understand? So these are the reasons that could occur, that could make a refund occur. Not being able to prove that, yeah, this is where you say, not being truthful, lying about your work experiences and all of that. So these are the reasons why refunds may occur, because we understand one simple truth, which is nothing is 100% guaranteed. That very simple truth, nothing is 100% guaranteed. So which is why we make sure that there is a refund policy in what we are doing. So, for those who might want proof, there are documented records of refund requests, payments receipts, that's of payment of the refund, and acknowledgement emails of refund received from candidates who requested those refunds. So, these are not stories, these are what happened, these are real things. So, and that's how Sponsor East Travels works. If we say we'll do something, we definitely do it. But if circumstances makes it impossible, we stand on our word.